Life will test you. You'll face setbacks, pain, in moments when everything feels impossible. But remember this: a man is not defeated when he falls, but when he refuses to rise. There are two types of people in the world: those who crumble under pressure, and those who use adversity as fuel. The difference isn't strength, it's mindset. Resilience isn't about avoiding hardship, it's about enduring it, learning from it, and growing because of it. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. In other words, you can't control what happens to you, but you can control how you respond. That's where true resilience begins. Think about it. You don't control the economy, but you control how you adapt to financial struggles. You don't control what people say about you, but you control whether their words define you. You don't control when hardships come, but you control whether you let it break you or make you stronger. Epictetus, another great Stoic, thought that people were not disturbed by things, but by the views they take of them. Your suffering doesn't come from the events themselves, it comes from how you interpret them. A failure in business isn't a dead end, it's a lesson. A breakup isn't the end of love, it's a chance to become a better version of yourself. A loss isn't a punishment, it's an opportunity to find meaning in struggle. When you see obstacles as training, pain as growth, and setbacks as redirections, nothing can truly harm you. Now imagine two men who lose their jobs. The first man panics. He blames the company, complains about unfairness, and drowns in self-pity. Weeks pass, and he's still stuck, bitter, and lost. The second man takes a deep breath. He accepts what happened, analyzes what he can do next, and starts applying for better opportunities. He treats this loss as a chance to upgrade his skills and become stronger. Same situation, two different responses. One leads to suffering, the other leads to transformation. Now imagine you are walking through a storm. The wind is violent, the rain is relentless, and the path ahead is unclear. You have two choices: stand still and let the storm consume you, or keep moving forward, step by step, until you find shelter. The storm is life hardships. Your movement is resilient. No matter how harsh the conditions, if you refuse to stop, you will eventually reach clear skies. Seneca once wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, his labor does the body." When you go to the gym, lifting heavy weights is painful, but that pain is what builds strength. Life works the same way. Every challenge is a weight added to your barbell. The more you endure, the stronger you become. Pain is temporary, but the strength you gain from overcoming it lasts forever. The next time life hits you hard, ask yourself, is this truly bad, or is it just uncomfortable? Most of the time, it's not a situation that's unbearable, it's our resistance to it. We fear hardship, but hardship builds character. We avoid discomfort, but discomfort makes us sharp. The Stoics believe in preparing for suffering before it comes. experience voluntary hardship, sleeping on the floor, fasting, or exposing themselves to criticism, to train their minds to handle difficulty without fear. If you embrace small challenges daily, facing rejection, doing difficult tasks, stepping outside your comfort zone, you become anti-fragile. Instead of breaking under pressure, you thrive in it. Hard times don't break you, they reveal you. So when life knocks you down, don't complain, don't despair. Breathe, adapt, move forward. You're far stronger than you think. We're not made to be defeated. We're made to endure, to rise, and to conquer. Strength isn't given, it's forged in struggle. Let the world throw its words at you and show it that nothing can shake you. Because resilience isn't about surviving, it's about becoming unstoppable. If this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments. Have you ever faced a moment where you feel lost but pushed through? Your story could inspire someone else. And if you find value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on stoicism, resilience, and self-mastery. Thank you for watching. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next video.